We're in the skate park. Let's go.
Come on, Henry.
Come on, Henry. There's the skate park. Let's go. Yeah. Are you tired? You're good. Oopsie. Guys, wait for Henry and Adam. There you go. Oops. Are you okay?
Yeah. I hope it's good.
Well done, you can do it. Let's take Henry off you first. Uzi, go help Baya up. Yaya's the first one up with Henry. Uzi, you took off your shoes and your socks. You cheater. Adam needs help, guys. Who's gonna? Help Adam. Go, go, go. Adam, you can. You can do it, Adam. Come on, you can get to Henry. Do it, do it, do it, do it.
I'm trying to get Henry.
Yeah.
Do you remember Adam spotted? It's my turn to have it.
The car?
Yeah. And
Let's remind him. Adam, do you have Uzi's car? You want to get up?
Yeah.
Let Mommy help you with this one. This one's... Mommy might be able to do this one. Let's see. Let's go. Yay! We've done it!
Mommy, no.
Look how high we are. Wait, be careful though. Be careful. Ah! Oops! Be careful, guys. Don't fight over Henry.
Bye-bye.
You did it. Let's see if Mommy can do it. Ooh, Mommy did it. Yeah, you're sliding down. Uzi, what you got? Oh, Uzi's got his little cards.
Where my dog, Mom?
Your card's in your pocket. Shall we take it out?
Yeah.
Right, let's take it out of your pocket. There we go. That's a nice car. What is it?
It's behind you.
What's behind me? Yeah, what are they doing? What? Yeah, it's just a truck. He's a garbage cleaner. Oh look, your cards on the floor, guys. Come take your cards.
I want this one. I want this one.
He wants that car, Uzi.
Yeah.
Squirrels? Show me. Oh wow, you're so good at that. Ooh.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Yeah, Zaria, don't.
You're literally gonna hurt yourself.
Yeah, that was cool trick. Uzi, your shoes are the wrong way around. Maybe that's why you're struggling a bit.
I don't dare.
Fix it now. See, let's see. Do it, Uzi. Almost. Help, Uzi. He needs help.
I'm the only one.
Get him his car, please. He's behind you. Yeah. You might be able to do more if you let go of Henry. Do you want to put Henry down? Good boy. Now try. Try. Go run. Go back and run up like Uzi is. Yeah, but you need to put Henry down. Well done, Sophia. Well done, Yaya. Well done, Uzi. Let's see if Adam can do it. Adam and Henry. Come on, Adam, you can do it. You can do it. Good boy. You're doing it. You can do it. Good boy. Oopsie. One, two, three, go. Uzi, you forgot to come down. Is Henry okay? Shall I fix him? Yeah? Wow, that's really good, girls. Let mommy help you. Uzi's taking off his shoes again. Uzi, what are you doing without your shoes? Come put your shoes on. And where's your socks? You need to find them quickly.